Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USD on crypto. Calm Wallet. First, open your crypto. Calm app and locate the Accounts tab at the bottom. From there, select Crypto Wallet and then tap the Buy button. You'll then see a list of cryptocurrencies. Simply choose USD, also known as Tether, to proceed with your purchase. This straightforward process gets you started quickly. Next, you'll need to select your payment method. You can typically use a linked credit or debit card or funds from your fiat wallet if you have them. After choosing your payment, enter the exact amount of USD you want to buy. For instance, you might enter $100. Always take a moment to carefully review all the transaction details, including any applicable fees and the current exchange rate, before moving forward. Once you've reviewed everything, it's time to confirm your purchase. You'll be prompted to enter your passcode or use biometric verification, like a fingerprint or face scan, to authorize the transaction. After successful confirmation, your USD will be processed and credited to your crypto wallet very shortly. You can then easily view your updated USD balance directly within the crypto wallet section of your app. It's that simple. For added security, I highly recommend setting up two-factor authentication on your crypto Calm account. It provides an extra layer of protection for your assets. Also, always remember that the crypto market can be quite volatile, so prices can change quickly. Be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.